Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel Adhyan with Flow. Let's start with female reproductive organ. Okay, before starting, let me clear one thing about reproduction. Guys, yes, we know that reproduction is important. Yeah, we know, yes, important. So animal can balance their population. It may be lion, cat, dog, human, okay. But this is not compulsory. This is not necessary that without reproduction you die, he and she die. No, this is important. Yeah, we agree, this is important, but doesn't mean this is compulsory that without reproduction you will die in future. No, this is helpful in balance of population in earth. Okay, okay, without wasting any time, let's start. What component make female reproductive system? Ovary, let me change pen. Ovaries, oviduct, uterus, cervix, vagina and external genitalia. And where female reproductive organ system is present? Pelvic region. You can also say it as a abdominal region. Okay, now mammary gland also take participation on reproductive system. This is the what? Female reproductive systems sectional view. Okay, one by one I am elaborating everything. This is the vaginal tract. Remember these words because in this portion these portion we will discuss these things. All right guys, okay. Vaginal, look at here, take a view. Where is vaginal? Labia majora. This region is labia majora. All right, now labia minora, inner. This is the clitoris junction point. Here is urethra, you can release your urine. Here is pubic symphysis. Remember these names, okay? One by one I am explaining everything. Urinary bladder, uterus, look at it, this is part is uterus. This long vagina, rectum, okay. Cervix, junction between cervix and uterus. Anus, this opening is anus. Okay, you can take a visual. Okay, let me erase and you can take visualize where which kind of organ is present. One by one we will discuss these things. Okay, I repeating once again, this is the vaginal tract, this is the majora part, this is the minora, this is the what? Clitoris, urethra, pubic symphysis, urinary bladder, uterus, rectum, cervix, point of uterus and vagina, cervix, this is long vagina, anus, this opening is anus. This is the main reproductive part of female. Guys, ovary first. What ovary will do? Make egg and release some hormones. Same as testes, release egg and hormone. And testes, what did they do? They make sperm and release hormone. There is male hormone synthesized and here is female hormone like progesterone, estrogen. Egg and sperm will fuse and make zygote. Now this ovary and this ovary means one pair is ovary is present. Now there are fimbriae. After releasing of egg, they catch egg. Infundibulum. Here is ampulla region and here is isthmus. These three parts commonly called as a fallopian tube. So fallopian tube made up with three parts: isthmus, ampulla region and infundibulum. This is infundibulum, this is the ampulla part and this is long tube-like structure is isthmus, and here is fundus region, uterine fundus, and these are the uterine cavity. Okay, uterus wall is made up with three layers: endometrium inside, myometrium middle part and perimetrium outer region. This is the cervix region and there is cervix canal and yeah, vaginal. Okay, let's move further. Okay, this is complete. Okay, this complete perimetrium. Yeah, this is also complete. Okay. Now pubis area, labis. Guys, I told you na, remember this name: labia majora, labia minora. Assume, memorize this thing where I show you this thing: labia majora and labia minora. Acha, labia majora are fleshy folds tissue which extend down from the mons pubis and surrounding the vagina. Guys, this is the female. You can easily external part this is the external part of female. You can easily watch out these things where labia majora is present, where inside minora is present. Where is clitoris? You can visualize tiny finger like structure on top of the, yeah, you can easily visualize because we can visualize this thing. This is the outer part of female. You can easily visualize this thing. Okay, there inside the hymen is present, so these are break during intercourse, and other also reason are present, so they can easily break. Okay, this is not much important. Okay, this is the mammary gland. Look at here, these fatty tissue, breast size will increase if fat deposition is very high. Okay, there is a mammary lobe, mammary alveoli, mammary duct. Guys, these are helpful in making mammary glands. Some helpful in cell division, some are helpful in milk production, some are helpful in excreting hormones. This is the nipple, areola, lactiferous duct, milk. Okay, pectoralis major muscles, yeah, muscles are also present here. Ribs, because mammary gland where they present, breast is where is present, your chest cavity, na, here chest. So muscles, ribs, lungs are also located. You can feel, yeah, because breasts are present in our chest, na. Okay, so they can face here, ribs are present, lungs are present. All right, guys. Okay, now here is gametogenesis, how male gamete is produced and how female gamete is produced. Now, simple. Spermatogonia, mature, and they enter in secondary spermocyte, break down into spermatids. Now, spermatozoa mature and they make sperm. This is the overall view of gametogenesis, how sperm will form. One by one, I make you chart for you. Okay, starting with spermatogonia. Spermatogonia. This is the mature cell. This is ready for what? Division. And where this cell is located? Of course, testes, guys. Come on, don't forget this. Of course, testes. And testes contain what? Seminiferous tubules, Sertoli cells, interstitial cells. Wait, let me show you. Wait. Look at here. This is the sectional view of seminiferous tubules. Here, Sertoli cells is present. Here, spermatozoa means future sperm will form. Here, spermatogonia is present. Now, I am talking about these spermatogonia. Where they present? Inside. Where they present? Seminiferous tubules. And where seminiferous tubules is present? Testes. These are what? Interstitial cells. Okay. You can visualize this thing. This is the diagram. Let's move towards our gametogenesis. Okay. Now, spermatogonia, what they do? Okay. They goes and take participation in meiotic division. Meiotic division. And now, they form what? Primary spermatocytes. I am writing here primary spermatocyte. Now, this primary spermatocyte will go in meiosis. Means this is a if 2n cell, na, so this is also 2n. And now they go into meiosis. They go into the meiosis. So here secondary. Let me read this thing. Here, what? Secondary spermatocyte will form. And. Now, what will happen in next? Now, secondary spermatocyte also go into second meiosis. Now, again meiosis will arise. Now, here spermatids will form. Spermatids. They are not motile. And now, in future, they make sperm. Each cell make one sperm. So, now, your sperm will form. Your male gamete is formed. The name of male gamete is what? Sperm. I think clear. And you have to draw this diagram. And when I show above this diagram also, you have to draw this diagram. If someone asks that explain gametogenesis. Now, here is cell division is complete. Now, what kind of hormonal changes are located? When cell is divided, what kind of hormone is present? We know now, guys, testes has two functions, make sperm and release testosterone. Now, testosterone is a male hormone. They are responsible for boy features, some sexual characters like beard, like their voice, their hair growth. Okay. So, some hormones take participation in spermatogenesis like LH, luteinizing hormone, like FSH. This is helpful in mainly. FSH hormone is mainly helpful in female follicle formation. Okay, now LH, what they do? LH act at lading cell. This is exam point of view question, guys. Where seminiferous tubules are located, where spermatogonia will form, where LH hormone is released, act, stimulate, synthesize. Okay, so LH, what they do? They synthesize what? Androgen. Androgen, what they do? They stimulate spermatogenesis. Now you understand. Spermatogenesis happens with the help of androgen, means this division take place with the help of androgen, and this is what? This is the hormone. Testosterone is helpful in boy secondary characters. Okay, FSH act on Sertoli cells. Secretion of some factors will help in spermatogenesis. Now, FSH is also helpful in male, but they helpful in nutrition. That's it. Okay, this is the sperm, guys. I show you now. Here sperm will form. Sperm will form. So this is the structure of sperm. This is the plasma membrane, acrosome. Guys, this is main important. Nucleus containing chromosome material. This is the neck, middle piece, mitochondria, and here is centriole is present. I don't know why they are not labeled this thing. Centroles, important. Very, very, very important. Sperm goes into acrosomal activation. After attaching with egg, these complete things will dissolve after reaching inside the egg. Only centrioles present. All things are finished. Okay, so we understand this is the head part, this is the neck part, and this is the middle and tail part. This is the middle part and this is the tail region. They are motile in nature, so they can travel easily. Guys, acrosome, this is most important because they fill up with the enzymes, so they are helpful in acrosomal activation. This part, what they do, they helpful in fertilization. If sperm is active now, acrosomal part is active now, so those sperm who activate properly, only those sperm will fertilize the egg. Okay, the human male ejaculate about 200 to 300 million sperm during intercourse, during mating. Okay, now sperm release from seminiferous tubule. Of course, in semiferous tubule, guys, spermatogenesis is happen now. So spermatogenesis occurs, spermatogonia, convert into secondary spermocyte, then they convert into primary spermatids, spermatogonia, sperms. Okay, this is the process. So all process happens in seminiferous location. Okay, here is what? oogenesis. So we discuss about spermatogenesis, and now let's discuss about oogenesis. Now oogenesis start with oogonia. Now what will happen? Oogonia mature and they make primary oocyte. You can say primary follicle. And this primary follicle is changed and divide and make secondary follicle. And secondary follicle, what will happen? Then egg is released, ovulation, and now after releasing of egg, some residual part is remaining here. They make carpus luteum. And if egg is fertilized, then they ghost participation in reproduction. If egg is not fertilized, then periods will occur. Clear, guys? Okay, look at here. This is the blood vessel. Okay, there is primary follicles. Look at here. This is the primary follicles. They grow, and here space is antrum. Then they convert into Graafian follicle. You can say for secondary follicle also. Here lots of hormone will release. Lots of hormone. We will discuss. Okay. After secondary follicles, they release ovum, and this process is what? Ovulation. And after releasing of ovum, and this remaining part we can call it as a carpus luteum. They release what kind of hormone? Progesterone. This is the mother hormone. If she is pregnant, then this hormone take participation in placentation. So baby can attach with uterus. Okay. Oh, wow, what a diagram! What a beautiful gazap. This is the spermatogonia. They take participation in mitosis. Primary spermatocytes take participation in meiosis. Form secondary spermatocytes, take participation in meiosis, make spermatids, and then make spermatozoa. Spermatids is non-motile, but they are motile. Here also oogonia form primary oocytes and they divide and form secondary oocytes, and OI is really simple. Okay, now what is the difference? This cell make two cells, this cell make two cells. Okay, each cell make sperm. Here, guys, what happened? 4 cell is formed, but only 1 cell is take participation in egg formation. These cells reduce. Again, this egg cell will divide and make one vestigial body and make secondary. And again, this thing is divide and make one is vestigial thing and one make ovum. This is nature, guys. This is nature. You can't do anything. Okay, guys. Now in our next video we will complete menstruation cycle, periods guys. Okay, this is the hormonal level. Okay, we will discuss in our next video. So take care guys. That's all for now. We will meet in our next video. You have to remember this flowchart is master table. Okay, you have to learn and you have to explain this thing in your examination. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Adhyan with Flow. Thank you.